Sometimes, we need to record our computer screen while showing sensitive information, like login details or credit card numbers. In today's video, I'll show you how to blur that sensitive data using CapCut, so your personal information stays secure. Without further delay, let's jump into the step-by-step guide. For demonstration purposes, let's say we're showing how to log into Facebook using your email and password. In this case, we want to blur the email and password fields to keep that information private. First things first, open CapCut and create a new project. Then, import your recorded screen video. Once it's imported, drag the video to the timeline. After that, make a copy of the video by using Ctrl+C and then paste it with Ctrl+V. Now, select the duplicated video you just pasted. Go to the mask option from the video menu located at the top right corner. Before applying the mask, temporarily hide the original video by selecting the Hide Track option. Next, go to the Effects tab, then select Lens and drag the blur effect onto the duplicated video. You'll now see the blur effect applied to the login form, which helps hide the email and password fields. But what happens if you scroll the page up or down? It doesn't work. The blur stays in the same place while the login form moves. No problem, we have a solution. You can adjust the blur effect to follow the page movement using keyframes. Let's get started. To do this, go to the point in the timeline where the adjustment is needed. Then, slowly press the right arrow key on your keyboard to move frame by frame. Add keyframes and adjust the blur effect to match the area that needs to stay hidden. Keep pressing the right arrow key, adjust the mask position, and add keyframes as needed. Repeat this process until the entire sensitive area stays fully covered throughout the video. That's it. Now, play the video from the beginning to see the improvement. It's working now. As you scroll the page up or down, the blur effect follows and keeps the login form hidden. This is a simple way to protect your login information even during page movement. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.